issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern King County in northeastern Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hampshire, or near Hunley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gilbert's, Carpentersville, Valley View, Ingree Grove, Wayne, West Dundee, Campton Hills, Burlington, Hampshire, East Dundee, Elgin, South Elgin, Sleepy Hollow, St. Charles, Algonquin, Hunley, Barrington Hills, West Chicago, and Bartlett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.